LangChain, a valuable tool for developing AI-powered apps, is an open-source orchestration environment available in Python and JavaScript. It allows you to build an app and use any foundation model you'd like with it. You don't need to rewrite code, because LangChain's modular components, like functions and object classes, can replace one foundation model with another in a structured, easy-to-implement way. Much like constructing with Lego building blocks, you can easily replace one piece with another and continue building forward without any issues. Similarly, LangChain enables developers to integrate multiple foundation models and external data sources. The platform essentially serves as a library, offering a collection of commonly used programming components and patterns. These tools are tailored to help developers efficiently work with language models, simplifying complex tasks. This helps developers save time and prevents their applications from inconsistent code. Here's an example. Let's say you want to integrate an AI chatbot into your product. So, without LangChain, you'd manually select a language model, like OpenAI's GPT. Next, you'd need to integrate the API, handle user queries, pre-process these into a format suitable for the model, and finally, interpret the language model's responses to provide clear answers to the user. This process requires detailed knowledge of APIs, request handling, and data formatting in Python. Alternatively, LangChain lets you leverage pre-built components to build chatbots. You utilize these components to handle the API interactions, data pre-processing, and response generation. For example, if a user asks, "What's the weather like in New York today?" LangChain can manage the entire workflow, from understanding the question to fetching and formatting the appropriate answer, significantly reducing the complexity and amount of code needed. This tool's advantage is that it gives developers a quick and user-friendly way to integrate LLMs into their apps. At the same time, LangChain allows for less customization than writing all LLM integrations manually. Another frequent use case of LangChain is adding long-term memory to such apps as chatbots, virtual assistants, and customer support systems. This helps AI systems improve their interactions and become more intelligent by considering the history of previous conversations.